Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So today we are going to recite one English rhyme given on book page number 19, and the title of the rhyme is Little Bird. Yes. So tell me, have you ever seen a bird sitting at your window? Yes. In this point, वो देखती है उसके विंडो के पास तो एक बर्ड बैठा है. When she comes near the bird to talk, but the bird rapidly flew away. जैसे ही वो बर्ड के पास आती है उसको बोलती है स्टॉप स्टॉप स्टॉप. उससे बात करना चाहती है लेकिन बर्ड तो उड़ जाता है. So today we are going to recite this English rhyme given on book page number 19, which shows the affection of a child towards the bird. So let's recite this rhyme. Now let's recite this rhyme. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, please stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Let's do it again. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Thank you. Have a nice day. So my dear warriors, recite this rhyme and make a video and do send it to ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.